Hawaii is the only U.S. state composed entirely of islands. The Hawaiian archipelago consists of 137 islands, but only 8 main islands are inhabited. The main islands are Hawaii, Big Island, Maui, Oahu, Kauai, Molokai, Lanai, Niihau, and Kehaualui. Honolulu is the capital and largest city in Hawaii, located on the island of Oahu. The name Honolulu means sheltered harbor or calm port in Hawaiian. Diamond Head, a volcanic cone, is one of the most famous landmarks in Honolulu. Hawaii is the only U.S. state that grows coffee commercially. Mount Waialeale on Kauai is one of the wettest places on Earth, receiving over 400 inches of rain annually. The Hawaiian Islands are home to unique species that aren't found anywhere else, including the Hawaiian monk seal and the nene bird. The Hawaiian language has only 12 letters: A, E, I, O, U, H, K, L, M, N, P, and W. People often say aloha to greet one another, which conveys love and compassion. The hula dance is a traditional Hawaiian art form expressing stories through movement and rhythm. Hawaii's diverse ecosystems include rainforests, deserts, and coral reefs. The state fruit of Hawaii is the papaya, but pineapple is often associated with the islands due to its historic agricultural significance. The Hawaiian Islands were formed by volcanic activity as the Pacific Plate moved over a hot spot in the Earth's mantle. The Big Island of Hawaii is home to Mauna Kea, which is taller than Mount Everest if measured from its base on the ocean floor. Oahu is home to the famous Waikiki Beach, a popular destination for tourists and surfers. Pearl Harbor, located in Honolulu, was the site of the 1941 attack that led the U.S. to enter World War II. The USS Arizona Memorial honors the sailors and Marines killed during the Pearl Harbor attack. Hawaii became the 50th state of the United States on August 21, 1959. The islands have a unique Polynesian culture that greatly influences their traditions and lifestyle. Surfing originated in Hawaii, and it is considered a vital part of Hawaiian culture and heritage. The Aloha festivals are held annually to celebrate Hawaiian culture with parades, hula performances, and music. The Hawaiian Islands are geographically isolated, making their ecosystems very unique. The traditional Hawaiian feast is called a luau, featuring local foods like kalua pig, poi, and hapia. More than 1.3 million people live in Hawaii, with about 1 million residing on Oahu alone. The majority of Hawaii's population is of Asian or Pacific Islander descent. The island of Molokai is known for its history as a leprosy colony and Father Damien's missionary work. Hanauma Bay on Oahu is a protected marine life conservation area, attracting snorkelers from around the world. Hawaii is the birthplace of former President Barack Obama. The Hawaiian tradition of lei involves creating garlands made from flowers, leaves, or shells as symbols of affection. Hawaii has its own time zone, known as Hawaii Standard Time, HAST. The state fish is the Homohomonukunukupua, which is a type of triggerfish. The island of Lanai was once known for its pineapple plantations and is now a luxury resort destination. Oahu is often called the gathering place due to its size and population density. The Kilauea volcano on the Big Island is one of the world's most active volcanoes. The famous luau dish, po, consists of diced raw fish seasoned with various spices and served as an appetizer. Many movie and television shows have been filmed in Hawaii, including Lost and Hawaii 5-0. Hawaiian sunsets are renowned for their stunning colors and views, attracting countless photographers. The traditional Hawaiian fishing technique, called fish ponds, involves creating enclosures in the ocean to catch and farm fish. The Polynesian Cultural Center on Oahu showcases various island cultures through performances and demonstrations. Hawaii's only native land mammal is the Hawaiian hoary bat. The state of Hawaii is known for its efforts in conservation and creating protected areas for its unique wildlife. The makahiki season is a time for harvest celebrations traditionally held in Hawaii. Hawaiian musicians often incorporate traditional instruments like the ukulele and slack key guitar into their music. Gaining statehood, Hawaii was the last state to join the United States. The Hawaiian word ono means delicious and is commonly used to describe food.